From R.D. Sharma, Class 7th, Mathematics, Chapter number 4, Rational Number. In that topic is lowest form of rational number. Definition: a rational number p by q is said to be the lowest form or a simplest form of p by q now have no common factor other than 1. The definition want to say that if you had given 12 upon 15, this we have to do in lowest form, so we have to cancel it. 12 3 4s are 12 and 3 5s are okay, so 4 upon 5 is the lowest term of 12 upon 15. So let us see the exercise 4.3. Determine whether the following rational number are the following in the lowest form or not. Now it is already there in the lowest form or not, we have to see. Now 65 upon 84, so we can cancel it. So yes, this is in lowest form. Yes, okay. Minus 15 upon 32, this is also in the lowest form. So yes, we can cancel this. 24 upon 128, this we can cancel with 2, so this is not in the lowest form. And minus 56 upon minus 32, this is also we can cancel with 2, so this is also no. So only first and second is in the lowest form. Express each of the following rational number to the lowest form. We have to cancel it over here only. We have to express this in the lowest form. Lowest form is also called as simplest form. So first of all we'll cancel this. 2 2s are 2, 11s are. So answer is 2 upon 11. Okay. Now see the second one. First of all we'll cancel with 2, which is 2 1s are 2 minus. Okay. We'll divide this by 2. 2 1s are 2. 16 and 18. 2. How many is are? 2 9s are 18 and 0. Again we can cancel it. 18 1s are minus 1s are and 18 5s are. So minus 1 upon 5 is the answer. Here just do with the 2. Start with 2. 2 6 are 12. 1 remain. So 6 are. 2 1 2 2s are 4 minus. Okay. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. Again we can cancel with 2. 2 33s are and 2 minus 107 are. So 33 upon minus 107 is the answer. Now last one. 2 1s are 2. 1 remain. 6 are 2. 2s are 4. 1 remain. 2 8s are minus. Minus minus cancel. So plus only. Again 4 4s are and 4 7s are. 4 upon 7 is the answer. Now question number 3. Fill in the blanks. First one, minus 5 upon 7 equal to dash 35 equal to dash upon 49. This we have to find out. So let us solve this. This is your question. This we have to find. Same as this 4.2 questions. Okay. Minus 5 upon 7. See, here minus 5 upon 7 equal to 35. Same as question 4.2. In question 2, 3, 4, that question are there. Same as this one only. Now 7 into 5 is 35. So multiply by minus 5 into 5 is minus 25. So answer here is minus 25. Again take minus 5 upon 7 equal to denominator is 49. So multiply by 7 is 49. and minus 5 multiplied by 7 is minus 35. So answer is minus 25 and minus 35. Now we'll see fourth one, that is minus 6 upon dash equal to 3 upon 11 equal to dash minus 55. Now this we have to find out. Now here minus 6 upon dash is there equal to 3 upon 11. Now if we will divide this number by 2, so answer is minus 2. So answer is 3. Here we have to divide by minus 2 only. So here answer is 22. Minus 22 divided by minus 2, which is equal to 11. Okay, so answer is minus 20. So answer here is 22. Now this we have to find. So again 3 upon 11 equal to dash minus 55 is the answer. Okay. Now 3 upon 11 is there. Answer should be minus 55. So if we multiply by minus 5, so equal to minus 55. Now 3 into minus 5 is minus 15. So answer is 1 minus 15 upon minus 55. Thank you for watching this video.